Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. So we are still doing doubles and doubles plus 1. And today we have circles on in little boxes to help us see how this works. So in our first problem, we have 6 plus 6. So if we count the circles, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the answer to 6 plus 6 is 12. But if I add one more to make it 6 plus 7, I just have to increase the bottom number by 1, which makes it 13. So that's Mr. Stewart again. He's just doing dishes and being silly. Okay, on the next problem, we have 4 plus 4. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer to 4 plus 4 is 8. Then if I want to change it and make it 4 plus 5, I add one more circle and now it becomes 9. So this is how we do doubles plus 1. On our next equation, we have 2 plus 2. We know that 2 plus 2 is going to equal 4. So if I want to make it 2 plus 3, I add one more circle on the bottom, and now it becomes 5. Okay, our next equation is 9 plus 9. So let's count our circles to see if we can find the answer to 9 plus 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And then we add 1. Can you hear him singing? He's so silly. One more is 19. Okay, now we have 5 plus 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we add one more circle on the bottom to make it 5 plus 6. So we just have to add 1 to the answer. So now it's 11. Okay. Our last problem is 8 plus 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And then if we add one more circle, it becomes 8 plus 9. So what is 1 more than 16? 1 more is 17. All right, boys and girls. Then on the back, we have some equations to 10. So what we do here is that we look at the addends. So your first addends are 2 and 4. So I'm going to circle the bigger addend, which is 4, put my pencil on 4 on our number line, and count up 2. When you do that, the sum is 6. Remember, the sum is another word for the answer to an addition equation. Our next addends are 5 and 1. So we don't really need to circle anything because we just know that 5 and 1 more is 6. On our next equation, we have 8 plus 0, which we also don't really need to use the number line for because anything plus 0 stays the same. So this answer is 8. Our next equation is 6 plus 4. Now, you might recognize that as 10 friends, but we can also do this on the number line if you aren't familiar with all the 10 friends yet. So circle the bigger addend, put your pencil on it, and count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we were correct. This is 10 friends. Okay, and the last one on this row is 3 plus 2. Now, those are neighbors on the number line, which means they are doubles plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So 1 more is 5. Okay, I want you to try the next 2 rows on your own. And then when you're finished, turn it into your teacher.